A pleasant day to everyone. My name is Abonio Sigansen III, and this is my answer regarding the question of how human actions affect relationship and society. So first and foremost, I would like to say that human action or human acts are action performed with full knowledge and free will according to Merriam-Webster, which means ang human actions daw kuno is na-perform na to siya with full knowledge and free will. And the word free will itself, it means atong kabuton, atong gusto, and atong nabuhat. And full knowledge man ta because we are human itself. So naatay kaugalingong pagpasya if ato na siyang buhaton or di. So balik ta. Ang question is, how human action affect relationship and society? Well, according na affect is to influence or produce a change. Maka-apekto ni siya sa ato it's because we are human. We are human itself, and naatay mga friends, naatay mga kaila nga maka-apply sa ato nga ato nang buhaton, and mao na siya ang relationship sa society. For example, ang akong friend nga isa or ang akong circle of friends karon is more on about academic achieving. Mga academic achievers sila, and akong na-adapt ang ilahang batasan kaya because kung uban-uban sa ilaha and nami interaction, so affect relationship and society. And mo na siya ang akong point is, for example, na ako'y makaamigo ka og tambay and ma-adapt mo ang ilang personality or ma-adapt mo ang ilahang style, ang ilahang character kaya because we are in the world of full of society. Socialization man ta kibali. And ang atong relationship sa ilaha is ma-adapt nato pod sa atong kaugalingon. And ako, nakaamigo kog tambay, and kadugayan, ang character sa tambay is na-adapt nako. Because ang affect is to influence or produce a change. So from the word, long story short, is ang katong tambay na ko nga amigo is naka-influence ako para magbag-o ko. And that will be my answer. Thank you.